Welcome to Dürr Mexico. At this time we'd like to show you the insides of our state-of-art manufacturing facility. Please fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a high-speed tour. The Dürr Mexico manufacturing shop is 10,000 square meters, developed following the concept of an open but linear material flow starting from raw material receiving all the way to shipping. The shop is built to self-perform on a wide spectrum of product of Dürr Group. It is equipped with all the necessary machinery and tools to fulfill the high-quality standards of the company. A 2 meters by 6 meters laser is the perfect piece of equipment that builds the foundation for accurate fabrication even when talking about large pieces of sheet metal. The bending machines are arranged in tandem to reach 7 meters bends with high precision and precise repetitiveness, standardizing bending installed capacity. Following the standards of Dürr China. It's time to put pieces together. Dürr's longitudinal seam welder ensures a 100% penetration joints and a minimum distortion of the sheet metal due to uncontrolled heat transfer. Other welding devices have been added to our installation capacity in order to offer solutions for several construction challenges, from customized machinery to sophisticated product and specific tools such as orbital welders with dedicated headers for either eco tube or pipe. The Dürr shop runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and with a capacity of 400,000 hours per year. This takes advantage of the great variety of products included in its fabrication catalog and a well-developed workman, who understand the requirements and function of each product. PTED tanks, air supply units, booth walls, plenum, filter sealing, heater boxes, ovens, skid conveyors, final assembly conveyors, work decks, paint circulation systems, RDOs, RLs, Eco-C Flex, small parts washers. The tour almost gets to its end. We appreciate your time and invite you to come and meet us in Querétaro.
Dürr, leading in production efficiency.